President of the OPA, Shanta Senarath, President-elect and the Chairman of the 34th Annual Conference of the OPA, Dulitha Pereira, General Secretary, Ruchira Gunasekara, Treasurer, Bandula Gamarachi, Office Bearers, past Presidents, members of the EXCO, members of the Forum, representatives of the member associations, ladies and gentlemen. You all would agree with me, we had a very fruitful technical session starting from yesterday with our keynote speech. As the apex body of the professionals of the country, it is our duty now to take what we have gathered or learned today to the next level. On behalf of the 34th Annual Conference Committee of the OPA, I wish to place on record and convey sincere appreciation and gratitude to those who supported us to make this event a success. First of all, our keynote speaker, Lord Michael Hastings, Member of Parliament, House of Lords, Westminster, London. Then our speakers and presenters at a different technical session, starting from Mr. Ashraf Omar, Dr. Uday Indraratna, Dr. Dujipa Samarsekara, Professor Arya Dorei, Professor Tishanta Nanayakkara, Professor Sirimal Abeyratna, Mr. Richard Trifol, Mrs. Tanya Polonovita, Mr. Rohan Abey Vikrama, Dr. Harsha Cabral, Dr. DIG Ajit Rohana, Mrs. Padmini Valgama, Mrs. Krimali Fernando, Mr. Dilip Rajakarya, and Mr. Iraj Abhivardhana. Thank you so much for your contributions. And I also want to thank our moderators for press conference as well as inauguration ceremony. And the technical sessions. Then we want to thank event sponsors, official telecommunication partner, SLT Mobitel Private Limited, gold sponsor, INSEE Cement, bronze sponsor, Huawei Sri Lanka, HNB Finance PLC, Cargill Ceylon PLC, copper sponsor, Sri Lanka Convention Bureau, supporting sponsors, HDFC Bank, National Savings Bank, Prime Residencies, complementary sponsors, Piramal Gas Ceylon PLC for their generous sponsorship made towards the success of the event proceedings. Then we also want to thank member association for their generous contribution. President, President-elect, General Secretary, Treasurer, immediate past President, Office Bearers, past Presidents, members of the Executive Council and the General Forum of the OPA, thank you very much for your advice and guidance. For all the guests and participants who were present at the event yesterday and today, thank you very much. All print, electronic and broadcast media partners for the coverage extended, as well as Shangri-La Colombo for their hospitality and support. We also want to thank ANCL Commercial Printing for printing the souvenir, as well as for printing the press supplement, and the event manager, Optimum Productions, its crew, Shivi, for their service and efforts. We want to thank health authorities for allowing us to organize our conference this manner, especially to Dr. Asela Gunawardena, Director General of Health Services in Sri Lanka. We also want to thank our own Dr. Naresh Samarasekara for coordinating the excellent task. Then we want to thank Mr. Shaniviratna, our Center Director, and the staff of the OPA as well as Gayatri Ratnayaka for their support and hard work as always. So for all those who assisted us in this numerous ways to make this event a great success, thank you very much. Have a pleasant evening and stay safe. Thank you.